Hello po. Good evening
Hello.
po.
Good evening.
Oh my God. Finally, I was able to talk to you.
Maliwanag ba ako sa'yo?
Yes po, super clear.
Super clear. Ayan.
Yes po.
Wait lang ha. Pasensya ka na sa akin ngayong gabi dahil solo lang ang papa mo ha.
Okay, thank you. My God.
But don't worry, I'll to the best of my ability, papayuhan kita. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Salamat po. Yes po, of course.
Si Elle. I'll call you Elle, no?
Yes po.
You are 26. Tama ba yung binigay mo sa akin na profile?
Yes po.
And you are from Tanza.
Yes. I think my brother-in-law is watching right now.
Don't mind her. Don't mind him. Okay lang yun. Sige. Guys, narinig niyo ba si Elle? Sana narinig niyo siya. Our viewers are they're saying hi to you.
Hello po, everyone. My God.
Pasensya ka na, this has to happen the way it's happening now. But I'll find a way to at least to be of service to one or two callers. Anyways, anong ginagawa mo sa buhay, Elle?
Actually, I'm working po.
Working?
Working. Yes po.
Saan?
Working in BGC.
Saan po?
Sa BGC po.
Sa BGC.
Yes.
Okay. At ano work mo doon?
Working as an IT.
As a
Yeah.
IT?
Yeah, information technologies.
Okay. May asawa ka na?
Gusto ko na nga. Kaso wala pa.
That sounded so desperate.
Hearing myself, parang nga.
26 ka pa lang, ano ka ba? You're very young.
Pero hindi ko alam. Parang feeling ko talaga, hindi ko alam purpose ko. I feel like I am meant to be, housewife. Pero,
Alam mo,
26 na, my God.
hindi ko sa'yo una narinig yan. I've heard some women say, I am born to be a housewife.
Hindi ko, I feel like it's just that something na siguro nararamdaman ko lang. Parang I find joy na yung thought na maging housewife, maging mom, maging wife, and just, serve the family.
Yeah. Okay, you sound you're religious. Are you religious?
I would say so, yes.
Kasi di ba, sorry baka sabihin nyo na stereotype ko, pero di ba minsan, pag church person ka, may fundamental ka na very specific to being family-oriented, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But tayo magkausap ngayon? Anything I can do for you?
Actually, ito naman. Parang I'm working on, Parang I'm working on something na, para makapag-asawa. So, dating. Parang I feel like 26 na ako. So, I started dating. Na-join ako sa dating site. So, hindi ko alam sabihin ko pa ba yung dating site.
Ano yan? Then, Tinder yan? Tinder?
Hindi.
hindi ka alam mo kung ba't ko tinatanong. Hindi ko alam kung dumadaan sa feed nyo ito. Pero may mga dating site na pang religious, may dating site na pang hookup lang, may dating site na pang yung parang dirty.
Yes.
Kaya gusto ko, kasi meron yung pang same sex, tama ba?
Mm-hmm.
Anong dating site?
Pero anyway, ayun nga.
Hindi, anong unang dating site yan?
Na-meet ko siya sa Filipino Cupid.
Cupid.
Mm-mm.
Yan yung OG, di ba?
Yes.
El, pwede mo lang siya mo konti. Mahina kasi speaker.
Okay po. Sige.
Yan. Tulungan mo lang ako ngayon. Nahirapan yung setup ko. Pero thank you, ha?
Okay po.
So, Filipino Cupid. Kailan kayo nag-meet sa Filipino Cupid?
Last August. So, mga more than naman. Almost 2 months na din.
Nagkita na kayo?
Yun nga. So, like, planning. Although may mga book na trips na. So, nag-book na siya ng trip niya here in the Philippines.
Oh,
And
so,
then,
okay, so, he's not from, I'm sorry, ina-assume ko siya. Is he a he?
yes. So, he's from Australia pala.
Oh. Pinoy.
Hindi po Australian.
Australian. Okay. Pwede magtanong, ma'am?
Yes po.
Okay. Ikaw ba ang unang Pinay na nakausap niya?
I don't think so. Pero nag-ask ako sa kanya kung yun nga, may pasya with Filipina. Wala.
Kasi 'di ba yung dating app kung sa akin nag-meet is specific for Filipinas, tama?
Yes po, correct.
Oo. So, nako talaga.
Ang complicated agad.
No, hindi naman. Kasi, ibig sabihin, feeling ko lang he is really in the hunt for a Filipina para doon kayo mag-meet. Okay. Kamusta na mo usapan ninyo?
Actually, at first, parang magaan lang siya. So, after few days of talking, nag-book agad siya ng flight niya to the Philippines. And then, yun nga, nag-book din ng trips here in the Philippines. Supposed to be, magkasama kami. Pero, ayun. So, from the very start, up until like a few days ago, almost 2 months, hindi ka nagkaroon ng misunderstanding or anything na away.
Wala namang point, di ba? Magkilala ng totoo, di ba? So.
Tapos, until like few days ago, last weekend, hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Masyado pa akong too much or maybe, hindi ko alam, way niya lang. Hindi ko alam kasi I'm confused kung past trauma or just misunderstanding or just disagreements, ganon. So, it started kasi na, dito. Kumaga, nag-joke lang naman ako. Kasi di ba, syempre, pag nagugutom mga tao, we're all grumpy. Some of us. Tapos, yung sabi ko sa kanya, kumain siya. And then, nag-playfully lang naman ako. Sabi ko, don't be grumpy on me. Tapos, I was shocked. I was surprised kasi bigla na lang siyang, what do you mean? Are you trying to create a problem? Where in fact, nagjo-joke lang ako. What do you mean? Kumbaga sabi niya, nagkaroon daw siya ng parang high alert on yung radar niya.
Parang red flag to si Ella, parang ganon.
Oo. For the first time niya sinabi na yun, parang siguro pumasok sa isip niya. At sinabi niya sa akin.
Okay.
And then, parang nagtuloy-tuloy na siya na nagkaroon na ng misunderstanding. Hanggang sa kinabukasan nga, yun, I can still feel na distant siya. Pero ako, I was trying to, parang to lighten up the mood, ganun. Lighten up the air. Kaso, pa din siya. Sabi ko, naiintindihan ko naman kung yung past trauma niya, ganyan, na naging ganun yung reaction niya. I was trying to be understanding.
Teka lang muna. Alin doon sa mga sinabi mo ang offensive?
Yung, it started kasi yung bread lang kasi yung food niya sa work. Hindi ko alam petty or what. Bread lang yung food niya sa work. And ako parang I was concerned. And then I was playfully told him na kumain ka, don't be grumpy on me. Tapos parang tinake niya pala yun na okay lang ako, ganyan. Tapos parang iniisip niya in his head, parang nagkikreate ako ng problem. Siguro sa pagkabasa niya nung message ko.
Ang tanong mo sa akin? Huwag ka mag-alala, mabait ako dito kasi internet to.
Tuloy ako ngayon.
What do you wanna ask me?
Actually, I ended it na, sabi ko parang, parang unfair naman, pumasok ako dito sa possible na relationship ng buong puso with full trust. Na tinake ko yung risk, ganito. Tapos ikaw, parang half ka lang. Kasi sinabi niya rin pala sa akin na yun nga, big part of him, gusto niya akong makilala, ma-meet, ganito, ganyan, in person, and see.
Well, those are, sorry pero what you're telling me now are the natural niceties. Ibig sabihin, yung mga sinasabi mo na yan, those are normal things that someone wanting to be nice to somebody will say. Tama?
Tama.
Okay, so, I don't know if it will be okay, but para siyang those are normal things to say, na yung mga ganyan naman. Sometimes you plan, sometimes you don't plan, but those are normal things.
Ayun. Parang hindi ko alam, parang magre-reach.
Hello? Napuputol.
Hello po.
Ano yun?
Yun. Hindi ko po alam kung magre-reach out ako, kung i-try kong i-meet muna siya before I can actually decide. Although, nag-decide naman na ako to end.
You want a guy's opinion?
Yes po, please.
Okay. Tanong ko muna sa'yo. What exactly did you mean when you said, don't be grumpy on me?
Parang lang, playfully...
No, was he ever grumpy sa'yo?
No, never.
Okay. So, kung di siya naging grumpy sa'yo, ibig sabihin, kasi it could have been just a petty, di ba? Petty, kumbaga petty thing. Tama ba?
Yes po. Tama
okay.
po. Actually,
okay, that's my number question. Number 2 question, ang pangalawang tanong ko ay, di ba nakabook siya ng flight to the Philippines?
Yes po.
Okay, kailan dapat yun? When was that supposed to happen?
November 1st.
November 1st. And when did you end up with him?
Last Sunday.
Last Sunday. Okay. How did you end up with him? How did you do that?
Through message lang din po.
I mean, did you literally did you tell him na ayoko na, tama na to, we're not meeting on the 1st of November?
Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, parang naging defensive kasi siya, or parang may wall sa kanya. Sabi niya, yung parang mga these types of games, etc., I can stand them. Parang wala daw siyang time for that. Sabi,
but he booked a flight to the Philippines.
Yes.
Ilan taon na ba siya?
He's 35.
35 no. He's young.
Sabi ko sa kanya, parang feeling ko I will always be mistaken sa magiging actions.
May tanong ako sa iyo, El. How long was he supposed to stay here?
2 weeks po.
2 weeks. Were you able to see the return flight?
I think, hindi ko na maalala, pero parang I think I did, yes.
Nakita mo yung ticket?
Yes po.
I am trying to entertain a scenario. Ready ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Hunch ko lang ito, hindi kita nilalason, ha?
Yes.
Feeling ko, hindi lang ikaw yung image niya sa Philippines. Feeling ko. Feeling ko yan, ha? Number 1, red flag na yung nandun kayo sa, sa dating app na pinailangan na andun. I don't believe that you're the first person he was able to talk to. Hindi ako maniniwala dyan. Pero para palakihin mo yung maliit na bagay, naghahanap ka ng way out dun sa meeting yun ng November 1st, Ang sobrang gaslight nun nung pagbintang. Kung hindi ka sinungaling, Elas, baka sinungaling ka ba?
Hindi.
Hindi. Kung hindi ka sinungaling, Kung hindi ka naman sinungaling at eksakto naman yung kinikwento mo sa akin dito, ibig sabihin, gumawa siya ng gulo. Tama?
Tama.
Okay, now what do you wanna ask me?
Yun nga, parang na ano, ko sa idea na, what if he mag-reach out and then see kung, pero hindi naman ako sure kung magre-reply pa siya.
Okay, can we talk about you, not the guy?
Okay po.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are you desperate? Why do you sound desperate? Bakit ka ilang taong ka na? 26, tama?
26, yes po.
Okay. Totoong edad ba ito o niloloko mo ako?
Real po to. Do I sound old?
No. No. You don't sound old. You sound 26. Ang point ko, bakit parang nagmamadali kang makamit?
Siguro yung worry ko lang din.
Yung alin?
Yung worry ko lang din po siguro is yung...
Ano yung alin mo yung?
Yung worry.
Ang arte mo, don't worry.
Yeah.
Worry, sabihin.
Worry.
Anak ng busa, kala ko work. Yung worry mo, ano yung... ano yung worry mo?
Worry ko, hindi yun. Worry ko yung syempre pag siguro, parang na-plan ko na in my head na before I turn 30, gusto ko magkaroon na ng baby.
Yes. You know what? I am not big with I'm not spiritual on anything. Pero nung bata ako, can I share with you something?
Yes.
Nung bata ako, I plan to be an astronaut by the age of 30. Hindi naman nangyari. It turned out there are better things in store for me sa buhay na to. Tama? So, alam mo yung mga plano, these are blueprints of life eh. It doesn't mean it will happen the way you want it to happen. But sometimes, yung desperation, papahamak ka niyan. Ang dating sa akin, okay, I want you to please validate this if I have a point. Okay? Bago ka sumagot, pipikit yung mata mo at iisip mo magiging sagot mo sa akin, ha?
Okay po.
Okay. Feeling ko kasi, you are more in love with the idea that you might find a guy than liking the guy.
I feel like yes.
Tama ba ako?
Yes po.
Okay. Then it's not the guy. So kahit di kayo magkita sa darating na November 1st, so what? So what? What's your question?
Yun lang yung question.
Okay, gusto mo ng unsolicited?
Yes po.
Block mo na yan? I-block mo na yan.
Tonight.
Oo. Imagine mo, hindi ka pa niya jowa, kaya na niyang iksiyan yung pasensya niya sa'yo. Alam mo, sa relasyon, pag kayong dalawa na, pag nasa relasyon na kayo, alright? Pag nasa relasyon na kayo, pantay na kayo. Pwede ka nang umarte, pwede na siyang umarte, pwede na kayo mag-away, play na yung level na yung playing field. Diba? Pero pag nanliligaw, reyna kayo, you are not supposed to be treated the way you feel right now kung nililigawan ka pa lang niya. Nanliligaw ba siya o may mga kalaswan na kayong ginawa online?
Nothing like that po.
So ano lang?
Exchanges of messages and then getting to know each other. Ganun. May anak siya.
Walang laswa?
Wala po.
Walang picture?
Wala po.
Oh, yun. Okay.
You never asked me for that.
Eh, kung nag-ask?
Hindi. Akala ko sabi mo, paano kung ikaw yung nag-ask?
Hindi. Paano kung nag-ask siya? Binigay mo ba o hindi?
Hindi po.
Good. There you still have your dignity intact. Block mo na yan. Alam mo, if there's a takeaway sa usapan na to, di ba? Teka lang muna, ba't balikan ko ngayon? Bakit? Dapat ba nag-ask ka sa kanya ng picture na ganon?
Hindi.
Kasi bigla ko na-realize, teka nga, ano sagot mo? Hindi, anyways, ganito ano. Alam mo, tawag niya to. I learned a valuable lesson last week. Okay? If you decide, makinig ka mabuti rito, maganda to, ha?
Yes po.
Okay. If you decide, or if you make a decision using other than the intellect, it is not a decision. It's intuition. So pag gagamitin mo yung utak mo dito ngayon, alam mo na dapat tigilan mo na yan kasi ginaganyan ka na niya. Ang dami lalaki dito sa Pilipinas, ano ka ba? Di ba?
Tama.
Bakit pangit ka ba?
Hindi, oo.
Ba't
Pero
pang-
hindi nga Papa Jackson.
Bakit pangit na pangit ka sa sarili mo?
Hindi naman. Siguro, ewan ko lang.
Alam mo alam mo yung self-confidence, hindi yan kaya ibigay ng kahit sino, ikaw yan. Kulang ka dyan. Don't go to dating sites. That's desperation. That is desperation. Tama?
Tama po, yes po.
Now, meron lang tayo i-cover na part. Ready ka dito?
Yes po.
Kasi ayoko na mukha lang tayong idealistic dito eh. Now, I don't want you to be sending message to this guy. Huwag kang cheap, okay?
Yes po.
But, ito yung but. Baka kiligin ka dito, ha? But, if he comes over to the Philippines and he's already here, I think you owe it to yourself to meet him. Pero hindi para kumbinsihin mo siyang ituloy yung plano. Kung balimbawa, i-PM ka niya, andito na ako sa Pilipinas. You owe it to yourself to meet him up.
Okay.
Pero hindi para kumbinsihin mo siya para dumating dito until yung napag-usapan ninyo. Entiendes? Entiendes?
Entiende.
Entiendes. Okay? Pag nag-meet kayo, ate, mag-meet lang kayo. Huwag kayo mag-mate.
Iba po yun.
Hindi ka sumagot. Uulitin ko, ha?
Yes po.
Pag nag-meet kayo, mag-meet lang kayo. Huwag kayong
Mate. Mag-meet lang.
Okay?
Okay po.
Baka magkaroon ka ng anak na blue eyes. Loko.
Wag.
Anyways, thank you for having me sa iyong gabi.
Grabe. Thank you so much, Papa.
Pasensya ka na. It had to happen this way.
Ako, as long as I heard you, nakausap kita, my God, that's more than enough for me.
Okay?
Salamat po.
Thank you very much to you, El.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Alright, bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po.